Oh,
Guys, let me switch off my fan. I think I may not be properly speak. So, okay, before we begin, Amos, uh, will it be fine if I take like 15 to 20 more minutes of your time?
yeah. Would this take about 15 to 20 minutes?
Yes, I will try to make it within that time.
Okay. All right. Let's make it under 20 minutes. Fine.
Awesome. You can just let me know when uh, if I go over. By the way, I will
Okay.
try to make it quickly. Okay, so Atlanta light bulbs, guys. Whenever you log into Facebook, you are taken to this page, right?
Yes.
Can you see my screen, by the way?
Yes.
Yes.
Awesome. So technically, how to start doing FB advertising is you first need to request your client to add you with their Facebook profile as an admin. Then once client adds you, you then actually set up ad manager account into Facebook. Once you set up ad manager account, you then ask your client to update billing information. And once it's done, once client updates billing information, you are all set to actually begin advertising on Facebook. It's very similar to AdWords where we request clients existing AdWords account through MCC, or we set up AdWords account for them and then we link it to our MCC, right? So in the same way, we also exactly does the same thing. Once we get FB official FB access of client's page, we set up ad manager account, and it's all the same: adding billing information, then creating conversion pixel, creating Google Merchant Center account, linking it for feed, kind of stuff. So we will technically be doing all the same thing. So good thing on the right left hand side you will find out ad manager tab, right? If you find it out, always proceed with this. If you don't find it out, you can always search it using this search bar. This is Bronson Walker account, guys. I'm sure you would have David Burier's access, but both are same. David Burier would also have similar interface, similar access level. So now let's proceed to Ad Manager. Ad Manager is kind of MCC dashboard where you will find out all of your accounts. You can see we have a different accounts here. By the way, these are inactive accounts, but the active accounts are Trumpet and Horn, Dress Boutique, recently set up a Facebook account for Dress Boutique client, and this one is Pink Lily. So in order to have Atlanta light bulbs come here, we actually need to do some initial setup related work. First, we should go to business manager setting. Okay, these menu has everything. You can move to all the necessary tab, whether it is ad manager, business manager setting, or even pixel, you can find it here. Product catalog. Product catalog is nothing but feed. So let's go to the business manager setting. All right. Now proceed to coalition technology. This one is for Pink Lily. Coalition technologies. Now, if you put your cursor here, there are different tabs you can see regarding people, regarding pages. Under pages, this is where you will find out your clients' Facebook pages, which you have been assigned admin access to. See, this one is for Atlanta Light Bulbs, but you can also see Dress Boutique, we have admin access. Same for Trumpet and Horn, Smith and Lingerie, Romy LMS. So for now, we need ALB. So you can see David Burier also have admin access. So you can find the same thing using David Burier. Now this one is very important. Ad accounts. This is where you actually set up ad manager account for your clients. And this is where I have set up. Since this is already done earlier, but if suppose you are coming here after getting admin access into your Facebook profile and you want to set up ad manager account, you would always come here, then you will click into create a new account and then you will do necessary step right here. So I have already done this. Doug Root, this is our client. After creating ad manager account, I have assigned ad manager access to our client. He has actually added billing information. So we are all set now. ALB. Awesome. Pixel. This is where we will set up remarketing pixel. Remember, uh, in case of AdWords, we have a separate pixel, right? For conversion tracking, we have a separate pixel, plus for remarketing tracking, we have a separate pixel. But this is not the case with Facebook. With Facebook, you always have only one pixel, Facebook pixel. These Facebook pixel would do dual job. It will not only track your conversion events into Facebook, but it will also help you create audiences. That means it will also work as a remarketing pixel along with conversion pixel. So we just need to set up one pixel. It's called as Facebook pixel. Now, in order to create pixel here, okay, I think we first need to go to the ad accounts people. Okay, okay, cool. I think even partners, I think we should be proceed to ad manager. I'm sure ALB is there. Do we have ALB? We don't have ALB. Okay. Pink Lily, Trumpet and On, Smitan, and this. I'm actually trying to find out ALB account. Okay, under this, I think I need to add Bronson Walker or Mohammed as an admin before I can actually set up a pixel. So add as a account admin, save changes. See, these options are now enabled, right? So let's proceed to view ad accounts in ad manager. This will take us to ad manager tab, which I tried to access through here. This is also same thing. So guys, this one is ALB. Now the first thing we should do is we should go to the pixel and set up Facebook pixel. See, one pixel for conversion tracking, optimization, and remarketing. That's what I explained a few minutes ago. So very first thing we should do is, okay, here I can see there's been already a pixel created.
This pixel also tracks revenue.
Sorry, revenue, yeah. We actually asked developer to set up standard event, just like how we ask developer to update dynamic parameter, not dynamic parameter, update
Custom parameter.
Yeah, no, custom parameter for dynamic remarketing, that is different. To track revenue in conversion pixel, we ask developer to make sure that we update pixel to track revenue variable, right? We specify this in that request. So in the same way, we would also specify developer to actually add some standard events to be able to track revenue. But it's possible. It's the same as AdWords. Now my question is, who did actually created Facebook pixel for Atlanta Lightbulbs?
I think it was me assigned it to the developer last Friday.
Oh, that's great. That's why I was just wondering. Suppose
Yeah.
you name it. Very quickly. Basically, surveys, you can see the pixel looks like this.
Okay.
Looks like this.
Hmm.
And the kind of request that we send to developer,
Same like.
same like AdWords. I want to show you that exact instructions and requirement that we ask. Can you,
Oh, it.
where is that thread, Amos?
Let me send you the link. It was actually, I think, not sure who did it, but I think we did it together.
I got it.
Click on the link. Oh,
Here
you
it
got
is.
it?
Yep. It has been set up by me, by the way. I think we did it
Yeah,
together,
it was.
right?
I think we did it on a call.
Awesome. So service, we copy the pixel from the Facebook window and we put it here after this till here. This is the pixel, Facebook pixel. So we basically ask developer to implement this Facebook pixel into atlantalightbulbs.com website. And here you
Okay.
can see, don't forget to add 5 standard events in pixel to track important values mentioned in the bottom of our document.
Okay.
So the thing is, after this pixel, there are standard events which developers should add into that pixel, like view content, add to cart, add to wish list, initiate checkout, add payment info, and purchase. These standard events will track different events. However, this one purchase, this last event actually help us track total revenue on Facebook.
So here we have mentioned value one. So will it count one or it will count
No, no,
the
it will
exact?
be total value, but somehow if some product, some products don't have any revenue, like
Hmm.
they are either free product or gifted product along with some other product. So in
Hmm.
case if a particular product doesn't have any revenue volume, will show as a one. It will be reported as a one. Otherwise, the correct revenue value would be reported. Exactly the same thing we also do with AdWords.
Okay.
Yeah, does this make sense to you?
Yeah.
So we have assigned this to developer already.
Yeah. So I have uh, updated the product feed, and but I'm not sure whether there's 1.2% or 1.2% of product didn't upload like successfully.
You would always have some errors on products. If it is below 5%, then always avoid it.
Okay.
There is no point to actually trying to fix those just 1 or 2% products. Okay, service. So now it's very simple to set up pixel.
Hmm.
Uh, even though we had already set up here, so I can't exactly show you how we would do that, but you will find here create a pixel kind of option. Then whenever you go to any fresh AdWords account, I mean Facebook account. So
Okay.
as soon as you would click that create Facebook pixel, that you will be taken to all the necessary steps. So ultimately, you will come up with this kind of window where you will copy your pixel, save it in any document. You can copy this document and then save it under here, under after this. And same document you can assign to developer to set up. Okay, let's go to, now this is one part of pixel setup, guys. There is one more part. Sarvesh, can you mute yourself whenever, yep, Amos, you too. Whenever you get chance to speak, just unmute yourself. Amos,
Yep.
can you mute? It's kind of distracting. Thank you. Uh, okay, so Sarvesh, I was saying that this is just one part of pixel. Now, in order to run dynamic product ads on a Facebook, we actually set up product catalog. This one. This is similar to setting up product feed into Google Merchant Center account in order to run shopping ads. The only difference is, here we will actually run dynamic product ads on a Facebook to the users who have actually visited our product pages. So it's a somewhat very much similar to dynamic remarketing. AdWords, where we show exact same product image and prices which a particular user was actually visiting when he was on our website. In the same way, we also show dynamic product ads on our Facebook based on their last product visit to our website. So in order to run it, you need to set up product catalog, or in other words, feed into your Facebook. So you can see this is trumpet and horn. All the different feed has been set up. Where is Atlanta light bulbs feed? All right, so we actually need to go to the business manager setting first. Again, we have to assign coalition technology as a admin, just like what we did under ad accounts, product catalogs. There is no catalog setup. Almost, did we set up or not?
Could you please click on the link that I just sent you? Let's see if you can see it. No, there was the base camp, but I can see it on my end. I'm not sure. Is it something wrong because of your account or something?
Yeah, it's actually because there are different kind of access.
Yeah.
The ALB is here. The pixel. Product catalog Muammar. Can you see add people option on your end?
Uh, on which side?
On under product catalog and then ALB.
Yeah. And then
Now can you see Muammar Hodjik? These options. This guy to assign admin access.
let me see.
Yeah.
Could you type out the name for me?
Sure. It's a Muammar Hodjik.
MU.
Muammar. Should be visible on your window.
It's not like right here. I couldn't see any people right here. No, there's not.
Okay,
No, well, there's an option that I can add people, but I couldn't find the people that you list.
Let me log in through David Villiers then.
Okay.
Okay, so Sarvesh, I was talking about setting a feed. So setting a feed is also very easy. There are Facebook. What is the good part of Facebook is, you know, there are straight away options you get when you try to set up feed or product catalog. Nothing complicated like Google Merchant Center, where you need to set up shipping tags, and then you need to uh, upload feed, fix the errors. With Facebook, it's very simple. So again, just like Facebook pixel, here also we have already done this part. There are not much I can show you that how exactly we should proceed. But more importantly, once you get the feed, these options will be activated, and you will gonna see how many products have been uploaded. You can see 7,389 products uploaded. There are a couple of products which have error, but that's fine as long as the error percentage is less than 5% or something. Now, what is really important is, just a second. Amos, we should always link a pixel. So again, my point is surveys. You know how dynamic remarketing works on AdWords. We set up custom parameters into remarketing pixel, right? Then only it works on a Google. That then only you can show dynamic remarketing
Yeah,
exactly. In
yeah,
the same way, in a Facebook, you also need to add some custom parameters on your Facebook pixel.
to run dynamic.
Yeah. So first you should link your exact Facebook pixel with this catalog or a feed. Once you link it, then you would need to ask your developer to update your Facebook pixel with these three or four custom parameters. In a Facebook's language, we don't call it custom parameters. In a Facebook's language, they are called as product events.
Okay, are the same which we have mentioned in the document.
Yes. So after this part, the request which we have mentioned in this particular request, in this particular task, is actually for custom parameters. See, I have clearly mentioned additionally also add below events or parameters into this pixel to run product ads on a Facebook. The guide is here to help you set up this event for dynamic ads. In fact, I have actually created a full help guide for developer on how exactly should they do this. So ultimately, we have requested developer to set up our Facebook pixel to do everything, that is conversion tracking, remarketing, as well as running dynamic product ads. Is it clear? This is how we should set up product catalog and link it with our Facebook pixel.
Yes,
Uh, just to eliminate couple of steps or couple of requests, you should always assign Facebook pixel implementation and events updating at the same time, so that you don't need to ask developer twice. That's why we exactly did the same. In a first request, we asked them to set up Facebook pixel, and on second request, we have, I mean, the same request, but in a second part, we have requested them to also add product events. So this is done. I mean, Facebook pixel and product are done. Now we are only waiting for developer to complete this job. Once this
So
is
I have talked to him about this last Friday, so he assigned it to himself, and he will be working on it.
excellent, so once this is done, we will be ready to actually launch we will be actually ready to launch dynamic product ads campaign into Facebook. So Amos, you don't have anyone else, right? You are right. Okay, assign partner. Okay, we need to link it through our Bronson Walker account. I don't know his ID.
It's okay. Just leave it like that. I'll write down a reminder and I'll set it up tomorrow.
Yep, I think,
Oh,
yeah.
could you send me a Bramson's ID later, and then I'll do it later.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, no
Sure.
problem.
By the way, yeah, I thought, we were supposed to set up Pixel and product catalog both, but we were already, we have already done that. We were just waiting for, uh, developer to do the remaining part. We
Yeah,
would have.
because I was kind of in a hurry last Friday because I want to get this done as soon as possible, and so I talked to developers myself, and
So
and he said he's pretty happy to work on it. So
awesome.
I guess
So that's a
yeah.
great. Once this is done, guys, most exciting part would actually come after this, when we would set up dynamic product ads. It's very, very exciting, very, very impressive. I mean, dynamic product ads on a Facebook are very, very effective. They are performing for Trumpet and Horn and Pink Lily.
So are the same just like the advert
Yeah, somewhat same, but not exactly same. It's a completely different kind of ad template on a Facebook.
and the creation of dynamic ads?
Yeah, dynamic
Uh,
ads are a lot easier
easier.
to create. Yeah, lot easier to create on Facebook compared to AdWords. So
Okay.
that's why I'm saying it's very exciting. So most interesting part would come after developer setup Pixel.
Hmm.
So all right, guys, we will talk about this then tomorrow.
Okay,
So yep, I am done. Thank you very much.
thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
I'll talk to
Thank
you
you.
tomorrow. Thanks, Savish, and thank
Yep.
you.
Thanks.
All right,
Bye.
bye
Thanks,
bye.
Rishabh.